Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So good news is that the seat allotment result out, and that's what I'm going to cover about the different dates which are applicable for fees payment and the allotment letter download. So that is the topic of this video. You have to go to admissions.srmst.edu.in, which is the main online admission portal, if you can see here. And in the same page you will be seeing the welcome note saying dear applications, welcome to admission portal, and guidelines like you have to use your application number and date of birth combination basically to log into the system, and it should be in the DDMMYYYY format, right, for your date of birth. After that you will be validated within your username and you will be getting an OTP which will be sent to your mobile number and email ID. So in case it is in the spam or off your inbox, please check it. Both the OTP should be available, and approximately 5 minutes will be given to log in through OTP mode. So this is the actual window. It looks like to you with asking for application number and date of birth, and the captcha is the mandatory thing which you have to enter, and then you have to press the login button. So once you have checked the results, you also should remember the important dates for SRMJEEE Counseling 2025. So we are today at SRMJEEE 2025 Counseling Seat Allotment, right? So 3 p.m. June 28th, the result was declared. And the next activity will be basically the fees payment. So initial advance amount as well as the full payment. So advance amount is to be paid in next 3 to 4 days, but the last date for full payment is 7th July, and after that commencement of classes will happen later. I'll give the dates once it is available. So after the seat allotment, if you want to accept the seat, right, you will have to pay the counseling fees, right? So upon acceptance of allotment, student will have to pay rupees 1,10,000, which includes one-time non-refundable and non-transferable registration fees of 10,000, and the counseling fee which is part of the tuition fee 1 lakh. So this is the first installment of the tuition fees, which is 1 lakh plus 10,000 as counseling fees, total 1,10,000. And failure to pay the counseling fees will result in the cancellation of the seat. And after the full payment of the fees, you will be able to download the provisional allotment letter. So payment of the balance tuition fees again has to be done online, and you know the 7th July is the last date to pay the complete fees of the seat allotted. Now these are all the important documents about the SRMJEEE 2025 which you will have to carry for the document verification once the seat is accepted and the admission process is getting completed. So that point of time you'll have to bring your SRMJEEE 2025 rank card, your qualifying examination admit card, hall ticket, your class 12th mark sheets or equivalent mark sheets, and the 10th class mark sheets and equivalent as a proof of age of birth. And you also need to bring photo identity card which is original and a photocopy. You also need to bring a cancelled check leaf with the name of candidate parent, grandparent for any other payment, and the receipt payment through of EPA facility through which you have paid the fees for the first round, first installment, as well as the total fees. So all of these things needs to be brought about for along with some Xerox or photocopies of the original documents which you need to take. So that's all the overall process for the counseling stages you have to do, and after that SRMJEEE phase 3 counseling registration will start. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar important updates. Take care and bye.